Hey guys, today on Simply Mercy B, I am putting two of my favorite pies together, sweet potato and pecan. Ooh, I cannot wait to share this with you. Let's go ahead and get into the ingredients. I have 3 medium-sized sweet potatoes that I went ahead and baked in the oven, and that's going to keep all that nice flavor in our sweet potatoes. We're going to beat these sweet potatoes with our hand mixer to remove all strings first, before we start adding our flavors. We're going to go ahead and add our melted butter and get that well incorporated. As you can see, all the strings are attaching to our beaters. At this point, we're going to remove our beaters and we're going to give them a rinse, and we're going to continue blending. Add in your heavy cream, and remember, you do not want to add a lot of liquids to this filling, because remember, we'll be adding pecans to the top of this pie, and we do not want them to sink into the pie. We want to have that nice, beautiful topping. Okay, continue mixing until nice and smooth. Go ahead and add your eggs in and continue mixing. Now you want to scrape everything down. Take a look at that filling. Isn't that a beautiful filling? Now we're going to sweeten things up a bit. So we have some light brown sugar that we're going to add, and we're going to get that all well incorporated. Now it's time to spice our pie up. I have some ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, and ground allspice. Add your vanilla extract and your orange juice. Now if you want to get a little fancy with this, you can add bourbon in the place of your orange juice. Take a look at that gorgeous pie filling. That is the start of a good pie. Oh my goodness. Now we're going to go ahead and put it in our pre-baked pie shell that has cooled. Now we don't want to fill our pie shell up, because remember, we have to add our pecan topping, and we have to have room for that. We're going to go ahead and place our pie into a 375 degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. So while our pie is in the oven, we're going to go ahead and work on our topping. We're going to add the remainder of our butter, our dark corn syrup, and we're going to get that well incorporated. Once that's well incorporated, we're going to add our pecans in. This is our pecan pie filling, and this is why we had to make our filling a little bit on the stiff side so the pecans won't sink into the sweet potatoes. I just removed our sweet potato pie from the oven. It's time to carefully add our pecan topping on top of our sweet potato pie. You have to take your time and slowly add your pecan topping on top of your sweet potato pie, because this pie is very delicate and you do not want your pecans to sink or destroy the beauty of this pie. Once you have distributed the pecan topping on top of your sweet potato pie, you want to return it back to the oven for an additional 25 minutes. Our pie is all ready. Now this pie is a process, so you want to refrigerate this pie for at least 2 hours before cutting. Okay, as you can see, we have already been into this pie, but please don't forget to let this pie chill in the refrigerator. It makes beautiful slices once it's chilled. Check out my cute little pie scoop. So cute. But okay, let's continue on with our pie. Take a look at that pie. Look at the layers. Nice. I'm going to go ahead and dress my plate with some butterscotch topping. Add your pie to your plate and put as much of that sauce as you like on top of your pie. Because when I tell you, it elevates the flavor, it elevates the flavor. Please don't skip. Guys, I hope you are enjoying this video. If so, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you in advance. Take a look at that. Oh my goodness. Guys, it is good as it looks. Let's go ahead and taste. When I tell you this pie is so delicious. Flavors on top of flavors on top of flavors. You have your sweet potato, you have your pecans, and then you have that layer of butterscotch topping. Oh my. Guys, I certainly hope you enjoyed this video, and I thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to keep life simple, and we will see you on the next one. Bye for now. And let me know if you make this pie.